Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a salad. It's super healthy, very delicious and easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's make the sauce. In a little bowl add half a spoon of salt, some Italian herbs and 1 tablespoon of mustard. Then add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it all together. Now let it sit. 60 grams of arugula cut into small pieces, 200 grams of cherry tomatoes cut in half, 100 grams of mini mozzarellas cut in half as well. Then you can add whatever nuts you like. Now let's fry the nuts or dry them up a bit. Also, you can add 2 garlic cloves, and now let's fry them. At the same time, you should fry your shrimp. Fry them in both sides for a few minutes. I'm using 100 grams, and after they're all fried, I let them sit. And now you can plate your salad. First the arugula, then the tomatoes, on top the mozzarella cheese, and the shrimp, the nuts, and the sauce on top. It's such a delicious recipe. I recommend it to you all, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.